Suivez-moi. Follow me. State your name.
Nemo?
Brother Bloat, proceed.
Nemo, newcomer of orange and white, you have been called forth to the summit of Mount Wanahakalugi to join with us in the fraternal bonds of tankhood.
Huh?
We want you in our club, kid.
Really?
If you are able to swim through the ring of fire! Turn on the ring of fire. The ring of fire. Oh, you said you could do it. The ring of fire.
Isn't there another way? He's just a boy.
From this moment on, you will now be known as Sharkbait.
Sharkbait. Ooh-ha-ha.
Welcome, brother Sharkbait.
Sharkbait. Ooh-ha-ha.
Enough with the Sharkbait.
Sharkbait! Ooh, badoo.
Okay, Sharkbait's one of us now. Agreed?
Agreed.
And we can't send him off to his death. Darla's coming in 5 days. So what are we gonna do? I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna get him out of here. We're gonna help him escape.
Escape? Really?
We're all gonna escape.
Gil, please, not another one of your escape plans.
Sorry, but they never work.
Yeah, why should this be any different?
Cause we've got him.
Me?
You see that filter?
Yeah?
You're the only one who can get in and out of that thing. What we need you to do is take a pebble inside there and jam the gears. You do that, and this tank's gonna get filthier and filthier by the minute. Pretty soon, the dentist will have to clean the tank himself. And when he does, he'll take us out of the tank, put us in individual baggies, then we'll roll ourselves down the counter, out of the window, off the awning, into the bushes, across the street, and into the harbor. It's foolproof. Who's with me?
I think you're nuts. No offense, kid, but you're not the best swimmer.
He's fine. He can do this. So, Sharkbait, what do you think?
Let's do it.